there, and welcome to our pronunciation reference course. My name's Sophie and I'm a qualified TEFL tutor. I'm helping you to learn the 44 English sounds, and today we're on number 4. So you ready to get going? Brilliant, let's get started, shall we? So the sound that we're going to be learning today is the sound S. That sound again? S. Now the sound S can be found in words like sad, summer and sore. Those words again? Sad, summer and sore. Now the sound S, a long pronunciation of sir, is known as voiceless and also an alveolar sibilant. That word again? Alveolar sibilant. Now what do we mean by alveolar sibilant? We basically mean that we clench the teeth and cause friction by using the tip of the tongue to force the air through the teeth. So shall I show you really slowly? So we start, teeth get clenched together, like so. The tip of the tongue wheels behind it, and we force the air out, but use the tip of the tongue to create a smaller channel for the air to go through. Are we ready? Teeth together, tongue behind, ready with that air. S. S. And those words again? Sad, summer, sore. Those words again? Sad, summer, sore. Fantastic. Now the words sad, summer and sore all have the S sound at the beginning. Words like first and just have the S sound in the middle. Words like gas and mess have the S sound at the end. Can you think of any more? There are loads out there. Just think, with this fantastic Lingwizer app, you're going to be able to learn English words and sounds so easily and so quickly, you'll be like an English pro in no time. Ready for our next session? Get prepared, get practicing, and I'll see you next time. Ta-ra!